homework 46, round up. Question 1. Choose the correct answers with this or this. First one is cousin. So, this is my cousin. Mom and dad. These are my mom and dad. Niece. This is my niece. Question 2. Choose the correct picture. This is my mom. My mom is happy. I have one dog and one cat. My dog and cat are funny. It is the second picture. Question 3. Complete the dialogues using the following words. Cousin, niece. Who is this? This is my niece. Who is this? This is my cousin.